Alright guys. But I Pekle Africa right there here. Sure you don't see me since now. Now bush and the waka like this because I don't finally take care of bush entry for you. Nothing like bush entry. You know they pay any money like bush entry. You know they do anyone where they call community money. See, I don't pay everything. Mercy Homes and Properties. We don't take care of everything. All you need to do now to just call 09034296519. Make you collect your plots. They hear me. So now see Gulf Estate. You they see my hand. All this place is Gulf Estate. One of the biggest estates in Port Harcourt. This one that just by the side is directly opposite our land. That's why I'm showing you the beside view. If you go to the gate, you don't go even feel enter inside because person where you they call where you won't come see, the person will have to come and pick you from the gate or give them the go ahead to let you inside. You know how lucky level be now. You understand? So now so Gulf Estate day for Port Harcourt, and the land still cheap for 30 million because by the end of this year it go enter 50 million or 80 million and money no go drop inside. So quickly call me. The number day here 09034296519. You dey see the Gulf Estate bar. See Gulf Estates. You don't see am. Then if you turn like this, you go see our own land. You don't see our own land where we fence. See am. You don't see them, they opposite each other. You don't see am. See our own land now. See am. Our own land. See am. And see Gulf Estate. You don't see am. We be neighbors now, fence now share us. You see say the land they very cheap. By this time, you don't go see them again, no, by the end of the year. So quickly and sharply dial the number, they wait for you.